Hello and welcome to another tutorial video on Python with the beautiful soup and the request modules. I got here the Windows PowerShell and I'm gonna connect to a virtual machine I got on an SSH so we can get and use the script. We're gonna go. So if you wanna know more on how to use the Virtualbox for this and do the port forwarding and the stuff required, just let me know and I'll do a video on that. Alright, oh, this game is, sorry guys. Alright, let's try again. Not easy, you know. Gonna clear that up. Gonna do like, I got a few files over here. Let's go to the classified scraper. And we got that, the classified scraper. If you don't have downloaded the scraper yet, I just suggest that you go and do like a GitHub and do a GitHub clone. If you don't know how to do that, or just download the file and extract the contents. Just download the script from GitHub, okay? So we're gonna go and check what's inside the classificado scraper right now, so we can do some scraping, you know. So let's go and nano. All right, we're importing, we create the scraper class, and we're gonna check right now where are we if we're doing the single or the multi-page parser. All right, so right now we got the single page parser. Cool, right? So let's say that we want to go and do an indexing on the single page. We just go over here and change this value. Alright, this one. Change this value. Maybe put a comment on here. Change this value for index. Alright, I put a 10. Just to like a switch. That's Control O and Control X to exit. Let's clear it up and try to run it. Alright, Python 3. Alright, so we don't have the soup yet. Let's go and run the shell. I forgot. Right now I'm doing the pipenv. Sorry, bear with me. This is unedited. Let's go to the list again and do the Python. It should run now. Cool, so we got it. Right, let's see if there's a job list. Docs text, it's right there. Alright, so see, we got the job list. So we can go to nano. So that would be a single page parser for that municipality. Take notice that some of these jobs may be already taken, but the ones up top are probably the is usually the new one. Alright, let's close this up, and we're gonna go again to the classified scraper and do the multi-page parser, so you see how enumerate works. Okay, we're enumerating. Dictionary.py. Alright, cool. I'm gonna use all of the dictionary items, do an enumeration, and then scrape all of that. Right? So let's go here, change this, change it to multi, and now let's exit again, save it, exit, and try to run the script again. Alright, boom, boom, boom. So I'm gonna stop it and I'm gonna let it run it for a while. Right now it's 7:26. I'm gonna let you how long it's gonna take, okay? Hello and welcome again. It is right now 7:29 a.m. so it's just 2 minutes later. So we got all the jobs there, you see? Let's see what that enumerate function did. Let's go to Nano again and see that job list. Alright? So right now we got the job list. Look at all those entries. Last time I did it, I counted was like 3,000 entries. So if you wanna just make some data or look around and check any jobs or any kind of experiment with this, maybe a web app, who knows? The possibilities are endless with this. Well, I hope you have a good day and thank you so much, and I hope you're enjoying these videos. Bye.